Well, good morning. We're on day 2 of our online learning. So the first thing that you need to check for this daily video is the date. Make sure you have the date correct. It's Tuesday, March 31st, 2020. So make sure that we're on the right assignment page. Okay, and we're on our daily video. Hope that yesterday went great for you. I hope you're able to find those videos. I don't have control where they put them, so they kind of get jumbled up. So this is where it gets really important to look for those specific dates. I think the newer ones come to the top, so you kind of have to search down for the older ones. Okay, so let's get started with your daily video for math. If you're in Math 4, your assignment is lesson 115. If you are in Math 5, your lesson is 115. Math 6, your lesson 104. If you're in Fundamentals, 12.2. And Pre-Algebra, 13.1. Remember, you'll all have a video, so go ahead and put a star to the side maybe, or circle it because you know you have a video that goes along with those math lessons. Okay, the next subject you have on your list is reading. So reading group 4 is chapter 15 and 16. Make sure you're keeping up with your packet and doing those packet questions that go with chapter 15 and 16. Reading 5, chapter 7. Reading 6, chapter 18. And middle school, I wrote yours down wrong, I can tell. Your chapter, I got on the wrong line, guys. This was yesterday's work, wasn't it? So this one should be 17 and 18. My apologies. I'm learning new things too. This one should be chapter 8 and 9. This one should be chapter 19, and this should be chapter 3 to 4. I read yesterday's reading. My apologies for that. Okay, moving on to spelling. We're going to be doing the second worksheet in your spelling book. Make sure you're practicing those for your spelling test this Friday. Handwriting day 2, go slow. You're right, to go fast, okay? So make sure that we're touching those lines, that you're doing a really good job there. In Latin, you're going to go to YouTube and you're going to find your review video for your Latin. Okay, so there's Latina Prima, there's Latina Christiana, which most of you are in, and there's First Form Latin, and we'll do just a review. There's nothing that you have to turn in there except to say that you did go and watch the entire video and practice your Latin. Next is science. There will not be a video for this one today, so if you have, you're in the elementary class, you have a test, okay, so make sure you turn to that test over your cephalopods and write in complete sentences. You can use your book, do a good job. If you are in the junior notebook, then you are just going to be doing your second coloring sheet of whichever one you picked. There are 2 at the beginning of cephalopods, so if you didn't color the octopus, go ahead and color that worksheet now. Okay, and then in middle school, your reading assignment is page 250 to 252, and you're going to be doing journal 165. Remember what I said about your experiments. If you have an experiment in there, read through it. You're welcome to do it, but you don't have to. The next subject is grammar. Again, my red, blue, and orange grammars, you're going to be just doing your sentences, and then I'm going to be doing them with you on a video to check them. And then my middle school grammar, you will not have a video today. You're doing section 711 and 712. If you have trouble with those directions, you can let me know, but it's review leading up to your test, so we're not learning any new information, just practicing what we've learned. In history, there is a lesson 56 video that you'll want to find today and watch so we can keep up with our history lessons. And then finally, there will be a Bible lesson today on video, so make sure you mark or star that one as well. You'll be taking your notes like we always do on the video while I teach the lesson. There will be a question at the end in your journal to answer, and make sure that you practice your verse, okay? Because you'll have that scripture test at the end of the week. So I hope this helps you get started with your day, and make sure you Marco Polo me, and let's have a second successful day of school.